I am not a fan of black housing headlights anymore, and these gotta go. So I'm going to show you guys how I'll be replacing the headlights on my 2008 Dodge Ram Megacab. Now let's just get straight to it. Here are the replacements. I got this set off of Amazon. This is the all chrome with the clear corner lens, because as you know, I'm also not a fan of the amber corner lens. So if you guys want to go with this set too, I'll put the link down below in the description. Now, let's just jump right into it and get these guys installed. So the first thing you need to do is pop the hood. Going to start on the passenger side first. So on the inner side of the headlights, remove 1, 2 T30 Torx or 10mm screw. Then on the inside of the fender liner, there is a hole right here, and in that hole there's a 10mm nut that you need to remove right there. You can actually also see it from the side right there. Now the headlight should be able to come out. Just carefully pull it out. Remove both the bulbs from the headlight. Start from this one, twist counterclockwise, pull out. Same for this one, twist counterclockwise, and pull out. And the headlight is out. If you are finding this video to be helpful so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get those new headlights installed. Now let's install the new headlights. Install your bulbs first. Line them up. Twist clockwise to lock them in. Plug this one in. Second one. Line them up, twist, line up all these little guiding pins to the holes. You got some on this side and some on this side. Initially install your two 10mm T30 Torx screw. Same for the 10mm nut. Initially install it. Line up the headlights to the body and then tighten up the 3 10mm screw and nut. Passenger side is done. Now follow the exact same procedure for the driver's side. The replacement is completed. Now we need to adjust the headlights. So on the back of the headlights, this is where you adjust your headlight beams. Use an 8mm socket, rotate this clockwise to aim lower and counterclockwise to aim higher. Looks a lot better, but I honestly wouldn't recommend these because they weren't a perfect fit and I did have some issues with the bulb sockets. If you guys have any further questions, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, make sure you guys go check out the video where I got the new set of wheels for the truck right here. And also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.